Gold and silver both beautifully respected my magical levels as I shared in my morning update with the Isha session. Watch out for 1967 and 2430. Both have gone close to it but failed to break past. Now, what to expect with the US session? Yes, we have inflation data before the US session itself. Definitely, it will bring the volatility. Whichever direction it has to break out, both gold and silver will give the breakout definitely with the CPI data. That is my expectation. So now what to expect, which position, which direction we should expect, and how to profit out of the data in the US session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. First I share with the Asia session precisely 10 to 12 hours from now, and yes, the next video for the day is this. So also you can remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Now look at the hourly charts of gold here. You can find out that moving averages have now started to diverge on the hourly chart. This is a bullish sign. Also, the price is divergent from the moving average, which means 1960 levels are still going to remain a very good support. And you can see it is trading in this bullish channel. Hence, till 1960, I will not recommend you to sell. And in fact, if you are selling at 1960, you have to be extremely cautious, extremely alert till towards 1940 levels. Yes, it is a wider zone because the volatility definitely we will get with the data. Hence, till 1940, we will not consider gold as bearish, and it can bounce back very strongly again. And hence, yes, you can sell at 1960, but then 1957, 54, 50, three levels, then 45 and 40. We have seen gold in trading within this zone, and hence you have to be careful of these levels. Yes, put a trailing stop loss or shift the stop losses to these prices and keep re-entering as you see it trading in the same direction till 1940. Do not consider this as bearish. Below 1940, we can see it breaking heavily. Now, this is a bullish channel any which way. Second thing is there is a crossover here moving with divergence indicating bullishness. We have seen whenever such crossover happens, there is little bullishness we can definitely expect. Just ignore this. You can see a breakout and then a sharp reversal again. So this is something which definitely can be. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. Now look at the direction movement. This is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is still divergent, bullish looking upwards. RSI is also almost flat but trading with a slight bullish bias. Now look at the 2-hour charts. There is one point to note on the 2-hour charts. Yes, this is trading in this bullish channel. There are series of green candles which we have seen, and this must have bought some of the indicators to overbought zone. That is the first part. Second part is it has got the resistance to its maximum levels at 1967 and then 72 till 1967-72 zone. This is on the upside where we are going to remain extremely cautious and alert. Third, that see the previous two candles have a long tail. This means price is not willing to stay bearish and we can see an upward thrust. Fourth, then that the previous candle has a flat top, and if it breaks past 1967 levels, you can buy here again. Expect 1970 till 1972. Do not consider this as bullish, and beyond 1970 to 1975, 1980, 85 till 85, because we have seen gold trading between 1940 and 1985. Hence 1985 going to remain a very good resistance zone. Beyond that, definitely it is going to hit 2000 levels or so. Now what has happened on the 2-hour chart? See the bullish pole, the flag formation, and then this breakout. This is still a breakout, and definitely now I will watch out for how it behaves in between 1967-72 zone. Directional movement here, crossing over for a bullish move. It is divergent here. Stochastic has come back to overbought levels. The MACD has also crossed over, trading with divergence, trying to trade bullish. RSI is also looking upwards, trying to trade bullish here. And if you look at 3 hour, now look at 3-hour chart. See, if you divide it into two, this is identical, this is identical, this candle identical, this candle identical. The drop here and the drop here was different. You can see this candle is giving higher lows. Bullish sign, and the price is reversing from here. It has come back to this zone. You can definitely see now possibly it can try to hit this zone here. This is trying to create identical symmetrical levels, hence 1980-85 levels can get achieved if it stays above 1967. Direction movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, it is crossed over. RSI also trying to trade bullish, and if you look at 4, similar is the observation. One point you should note, see, even if it tries to drop here, definitely till 1960 it has got very good support, and the bearishness can be expected only and only if you see it trading below 1960, where you can expect 1957, 54, 50. Also, if you look at, see, series of green candles, 5 green and a flat top there. Now, previous candle having a flat top is a good bullish sign. At the same time, if you look at now, the moving averages have crossed over here. See the 20 and 50 crossover. Trading with divergence, this is also a bullish sign. But see, we have seen it trading within this for long now. If you look at direction movement, this is bullish, stochastic back to overbought, MACD crossing over for a buy, RSI almost flat. Now coming to the, see, on the daily charts, first of all, lower highs, lower lows were seen since the last two candles. This candle is already breached past those levels and now trying to trade bullish. Now what to expect? First, I will wait for it to break past this previous highs, because the double top level should be breached. Once this is overtaken, you can expect that possibly we might see gold getting the resistance within this zone, which is a very important zone. Now on the daily charts, the moving averages are trading with divergence and it's trading bearish here. See, the 20 period average is below the 50 period average, and also this is the zone at in between 1965-70, and hence I will say 1967-72. This zone is going to remain important for gold. Direction movement here is bearish, stochastic is seen rising, MACD is seen rising here, it is divergent, it is bullish, it is looking upwards, and this crossover has happened at a little lower levels, and hence it can show you a little push on the upside. RSI almost, hence I will recommend you to buy here at 1967 levels and sell here at 1960 levels. In between 1960 and 67, do not take any trade. Also on the upside, be careful till 1985, it can again show you a little drop from those levels, and on the downside till 1940, one has to remain extremely cautious, watchful and observant. See, we have seen it giving double bottom, we have seen it giving lower highs. Let it break out either which ways in order to take a direction. Thus, be careful, be watchful, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver, and before we proceed with, I would recommend you to learn the art of trading first. You can join my Signals channel. You can join my mentorship batch. The 23rd batch starts on 1st of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals group where trading as per the signals definitely you can benefit. Again, reach out to the same Telegram or email IDs. Now look at the hourly charts here. On the hourly charts for silver, you can find out, first of all, see the slope here and here. You can see the angle, and the angle here is of retracement, not a reversal. That is the first part. Vertical drop, retracement here, that is the first part to observe here. Second is, on the upside, it is get a constant push, which is price is not willing to stay bullish. Now I'll wait for 2430. Very simple. Once it stays above 2430 till 2460, just 10 cents stop loss. 2440 is a very good resistance, and in fact 2440 to 2460 is a great resistance zone. Once it stays above 2460 levels, you can expect that the direct milestone for silver is to hit $25 levels. So that is the first part. Yes, you can buy here at 24. Now 2430, and see on the hourly chart there is a support it has got at 2415 levels. Also, if you look at the moving averages are now trading with divergence, trading bullish. Hence, a sell entry can be taken at 2410. However, 24, 2390, 2380 are very good support levels. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic has dropped. MACD trying to trade with little divergence and bullishness. RSI almost flat, and on the two, likewise on the 2-hour chart. See, first of all, it was trading in this bearish channel. Now it has breached this channel, trying to look upwards. Also look at the previous two candles are in red. I will wait for a breakout above 2430 levels, certainly above which you can expect that silver is going to fly high. We can expect 2440, 50, 60 and then $25 levels. Very easy. Direct moving averages still are bullish. You can see the price diverge from the moving averages. Now moving averages have converged here. Price is still getting the support from the moving average. There is a stronger support till towards $24 levels for silver, only below 24. Further bearishness might take it for 23.80, 23.50, 60 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over, trading with little divergence, trying to trade bullish. RSI almost flat. And on the 3-hour. Now look at 3-hour chart. See consistent bullish candles. Higher highs, higher lows. Consolidation going on. Wait for the breakout. Above 24.30 certainly stay long. Nothing beyond, nothing more, nothing less. Moving averages parallel and are bullish. And if you look at direction movement, this is also bullish. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD willing to converge crossover. It has not yet crossed over. RSI almost flat. Yes, one thing is clear that silver is getting very good resistance on the upside. And now look at 4-hour charts. Now you can also see there is stronger support. The price is not willing to stay bearish. There is stronger support on the downside from every candle. But look at these two candles getting the push from the upside. And here one should watch out for how it behaves at 24.30 levels and 24.40 levels, 24.30 40 zone. Very good resistance. You can see this 4 candles getting the resistance from 24.40. It has the potential to hit 24.40 levels, only beyond which more bullishness can be expected. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic rising. MACD is bearish, willing to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over. RSI almost flat. And on the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. First of all, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen, waiting for a breakout on the daily charts. Certainly below 24, more bearishness might take it for 23.80, 23.60, 50 levels. And right now if you look at, see, after the reversal, couple of red candles, once it breaks past beyond 24.30, you can expect that it may give a breakout. Then the candle size can be of equal height, where you can expect a stronger bullish momentum on the daily chart. Direction movement here is bearish. Stochastic is trading comfortable, and MACD is still divergent bullish, looking upwards. RSI almost flat. Considering this, simple buy at 24.30, but remember till 24.60 just 10 cents trailing stop loss. Because why? 24.40 very good resistance, and the zone between 24.40 and 60 is a very tough zone to crack for silver, because beyond that the next target is still towards $25 levels and plus levels. And on the downside, you can sell here at 24.10. However, 24 very strong support. 22, 23.90, 23.80, these are the 3 stronger support levels for silver on the downside. Once it drops below 23.80, you can expect it to hit 23.60, 23.50 zone. Very good support. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.